Hello, welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I will continue talking about dreams. I think dreams can mean many different things. I think dreams can show us signs that only our subconscious minds can pick up on. Dreams can be very helpful for us. They help us to get inspired and excited for new things, while showing us some scary or worrying dreams. They can help us to make changes in our lives to have the best and happiest life possible. I think, do you agree or disagree that dreams have meanings? Let me know your take on it. Some recurring dreams that I've had is when my teeth are falling out and I'm desperately trying to catch them, but I can't. Another recurring dream that I have is actually a really nice dream. It's my dreams where I'm flying. I really enjoy those. What are some of your recurring dreams? How do you interpret them? There are lots of different cultural beliefs that can be made out of dreams. I love hearing about them. This is one of my favorite topics to speak about with my students. So tell me about your cultural interpretations, maybe personal interpretations about dreams. Leave your thoughts down below. See you next time. Hello, welcome back to my Slow English podcast. This podcast is for intermediate English listeners. Today, I want to talk to you about my first trip alone. My first solo trip was when I was 18 years old. I booked a ticket to Tulum, Mexico. I remember being so nervous. My family was so nervous for me too. They all drove me to the airport, and I took my flight to Tulum. It was such a fun trip. I will remember that trip my whole life. It was the first trip where I felt I could do anything I wanted and go anywhere I wanted to go. I saw the stunning beaches in Tulum, the breathtaking cenotes or waterholes in Mexico, and I saw one of the 7 wonders of the world, the Chichen Itza. After making lots of friends and having lots of experiences, I decided to start planning my next trip. I started planning my trip to Costa Rica. I went to Costa Rica when I was 19 years old. I traveled to Tamarindo and took surf lessons, and I saw the most beautiful sunset I have ever seen. Then I went to volunteer at a hostel in Manuel Antonio. I volunteered at the hostel for 1 month. Full version tomorrow. Comment what your first trip was like. Where did you go? And why was it special?